We all know the feeling. The new year hits. You're full of excitement. And you declare to the world, new year, new me. Well, you're going to lose 50 pounds, save half your income, and learn a new fucking language. A few weeks later, all that motivation is gone. And you're right back where you started. Well, what exactly happened? Well, you fell victim to what the Japanese call kaikaku. Kaikaku is the opposite of Kaizen. It's a radical, all-at-once change. It's an explosive, single leap that we get excited about, but that our minds and bodies are simply not prepared to sustain. This is the difference between going on a crash diet versus consistently making one tiny, healthier food choice a day. The crash diet is an act of willpower. The small, consistent change is a sustainable new habit. The 1% better every day philosophy is all about leaving Kaikaku behind and embracing Kaizen. It's the secret to permanent transformation because it builds momentum and doesn't rely on brute force willpower. As the ebook explains, a 1,000-mile journey is nothing more than lots of single steps. The goal is to make a change so small that it's impossible to fail. The path to a better you isn't a single giant leap. It's a series of tiny, consistent steps. To start building that momentum and begin your journey, get my free Kaizen Kickstart checklist. Click the link in the description below to grab your free guide, absolutely free. And if you're ready to get the full blueprint for lasting change, my ebook is also linked in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Boom.